Yes. Hi, hello, my dear students. Today we are going to learn about how to draw human heart for class 10th in life processes chapter NCERT biology. There is a human heart topic is there and the diagram is there for your examination. Let us try to learn how to draw human heart. Okay, fine. Let us start. So simple and very easy technique, okay, to draw human heart. So what we have to do? Just we have to take one curve, okay, and from here also one curve. Okay. Simple. If any mistakes happen, just you have to rub it, trial and error method. So let us take one another parallel, okay, up to where? Up to here, from this side also. Okay. Slowly you have to come and you just draw the line from this side and you have to join this line to this curve, this line to our right curve. Fine. So this is about just basic. Now you have to draw like this. Okay, clear? Fine. Now you have to draw one wall. So this wall is known as tricuspid wall. Parts we will see later. Before that, just I am giving an introduction regarding parts. So this is one another what? Wall. Okay. Fine. So just you have to draw like this. And now you have to just go like this. A simple and easy parallel you have to go. Fine. Now you have to draw like this and you have to join these lines. Fine. Okay. Same like this here also. Wall. Okay. So now, from these parallel lines, you have to go through like this. Okay. Fine. Fine. Okay. So like this. So next let us try to draw here this side. So step by step I am telling you to how to draw the human heart, step by step, okay? Now you are understanding some diagram is a little bit clear now, okay? Fine. Now from this back side, these lines you have to draw, okay? Fine. Now just you have to join these lines. So this is the completion of human heart diagram. So simple. Within 2 minutes I have drawn here. Just if you practice, it will become very easy for you people. Okay. So now let us try to watch parts. I will label the parts. Human heart. Yes. So the topic name is human heart. Let us try to label the parts. So this is known as pulmonary artery, students. Explanation I will give you later. Just parts. This part is pulmonary artery. Okay. And next, this part. This part is known as heart is facing towards you. This is left side. So heart left side. This is left atrium. What it is? Left atrium. So next, this one is pulmonary vein. This is pulmonary vein. And this part, okay, already have told you, left side. This is left atrium and this is left ventricle. So this part, heart is facing towards you, right side, right part. So this is right ventricle. Don't be confused. This is the left ventricle and this is right ventricle. 4 chambers in human heart. Already you know. 2 auricles or 2 atrium in the bottom, 2 ventricles in the bottom, 2 auricles or atrium in the top side. Okay, 4 chambers. So this is known as right atrium. So this is vena cava. Vena cava, actually there are 2. Inferior vena cava and superior vena cava. Okay, fine. So the wall which is dividing 2 chambers, this wall is known as what? Septum. What it is? Septum. Okay. So how does the blood will flow inside the heart? In which direction the blood will flow? Okay. So blood will come from our top side, okay, through this vena cava. From this vena cava also blood is coming to the heart. Which blood is coming? Carbon dioxide contained blood, that is deoxygenated blood, the blood which is not having at all oxygen. Okay, so the blood flows like this. So already I have told you valves I am drawing here. So what are these valves? These are tricuspid valves, these are bicuspid valves. When the blood will enter to these chambers, these are closed. Okay, when these are closed, these valves will open and contraction takes place. The blood will come to this chamber and the blood will flows towards the lungs. So from here the blood will flows to the lungs. 2 side lungs are there. In between the lungs heart is situated. Okay, deoxygenated blood will goes to the lungs. And there what happens inside the lungs? The blood will use the carbon dioxide and the blood takes or receives oxygen. Now oxygenated blood will enter through the pulmonary vein. From the pulmonary artery, the blood is moving to the lungs and through the pulmonary veins, the blood, oxygenated blood is moving towards the heart. So this part is known as left atrium. These are atrium, these are ventricles. These are separated. Okay, upper chambers, atrium or auricles, lower chambers are called as ventricles. The oxygenated blood comes to the left atrium. When left atrium contracts, the blood will flows to the left ventricle. Through the left ventricles, the blood will flows to the this part, and this part is known as aorta. What do you mean by aorta? It is the biggest artery. Okay, here from here, the oxygenated blood, heart will pump the blood. The blood will flows with a high force through the aorta. The blood is circulating throughout the body. It gives oxygen. Again, it receives the carbon dioxide. Again, the blood will comes to the heart from this vena cava, superior vena cava, inferior vena cava. Deoxygenated blood comes here, again to this chamber, again to the lungs. Again from the lungs, the blood exchanges gases and receives oxygen. Oxygenated blood will comes through this pulmonary vein, okay, to this chamber. Which chamber it is? Heart is facing towards your left side. Okay, left chamber, left atrium. From the left atrium, when contracts, the blood will comes to the left ventricles. This happens at a time, students, both sides. Both side blood will enter at a time. Deoxygenated blood comes here, oxygenated blood comes here. Okay. When they are expanded, these will be contract and they will expand. The blood will be received. Again, when at a time they will contract, the oxygenated blood flows to this chamber, deoxygenated blood flows to this chamber. When the again heart contracts, okay, the blood will flow, oxygenated blood flow through this aorta and deoxygenated blood flows to the lungs. So this is the easy concept. Just today in this class I have not explained all the things which are related to human circulatory system. Just how to draw human heart in a simple and easy method. Okay, if you practice this diagram again and again, it will become very easy for you. Daily I am going to run the classes of free classes for biology. Class 10th. So please subscribe to my channel Shri Gopal Kulkarni. Like, follow. Thank you so much.